Xbox players, are you looking to ditch the standard AA batteries and you want to game for hours? I got the perfect product here for you, so stay tuned because we're about to get into this video. Hello everybody, I am RPM Nexus, the bargain tech reviewer. Here on this channel, you guys will get to see all the really cool tech at a bargain price. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the PowerA Play and Charge Kit. If you want to continue to see more videos just like this one and you want more notifications and stuff like that, be sure to hit that subscribe and that bell notification, guys. So as far as the product we're going to be talking about today, we're going to be talking about the PowerA Play and Charge Kit. This particular Play and Charge Kit I did buy at my local GameStop, and if you are like in the States or overseas and you got a GameStop overseas or something like that, you can actually pick it up for only 20 bucks at your local GameStop, and I'm pretty sure Walmart will have the same thing, and as well as Amazon. Amazon does have it, and if I'm not mistaken, it's only like 15 bucks, if not less. I'm not too sure on the price, but you can definitely take a look at this particular Play and Charge Kit, and there's another one on there as well. You can take a look at both of those links down below in the description so that you'll be able to navigate and find this particular Play and Charge Kit. So we're going to be looking at everything you will be getting with your Play and Charge Kit, just in case you decide to pick up your own set down below in the description, or if you get it at GameStop or whatever. But the first thing you want to know is that you will get two batteries. Both of them are 1100 milliamps a battery, and then you'll get 20 plus hours of playtime on one full charge. If you got one controller, so you'll actually get 40 hours of playtime. I actually did a run test on these batteries to see if they do like last 20 plus hours, and I did the test this past Saturday on one full charge, and it lasted well beyond the 20 hours and into Sunday and as well into Monday. Today is the first day I haven't like really used it to see if it still needs to be charged. This battery has lasted a full week as well, because when I first bought it, I did the test. You know, I usually buy my products and do like a week's worth of tests before I do the review, so I know what it's capable of doing and what to expect before I give you guys the honest review on it. So I did that full week's test, and then I had to charge it up this past Friday. It still wasn't dead after the full week test. I just needed it fully charged so I can know if it does last 20 plus hours this past Saturday, which it did. You will also get 4 compartments. You will 2 for your Xbox One controllers and 2 for your Xbox Series X controllers. As you can tell with this one, I wasn't aware that there's different compartments when I first got this. It's because, you know, I don't read instructions and I don't really do that anyways. So this one right here got the space kind of in between the teeth, so you're going to be looking at the Xbox One controllers. So if you got these particular Play and Charge kits and you're trying to figure out the same thing, the space, the one with the large space in between, that is going to be for the Xbox One controller, and then the one that's got the teeth kind of closer, that's going to be more for the Xbox Series X and S controllers as well. And as far as the Elites, there's no compartments for that. And then on top of that, you will get a 10-foot USB cord. So if you got like a 20-foot cord, because I know they make those bad boys out there, you will be able to like sit far away from your controller or the console, and you'll be able to game on your bed or wherever you're like feel comfortable to be sitting or sleeping or whatever, you know. But as far as this cord, what's really cool is that I was able to continue the game, because I know I was having issues with some batteries before, but I wasn't sure if it's between the controller or the console or if it's the batteries, because it could be any of those 3 particular things, because my controller is fully updated and as well as the console is fully updated and the batteries are fully charged. So every now and then I will lose connection on my batteries and it will like say battery lost or something like that. So with this will help me continue the game until I figure out that issue, but I think it's something to do between the controller and the console. As far as like the product itself, I like it, I enjoy it, and it helps me a ton with as far as like gaming and when I can like continue the game and without having to like switch out batteries or put the controller on the charger. And luckily for me, there's 4 controllers in the house, so I can easily just like get another controller, hook it up to my Xbox, and then I'll be able to game. But unfortunately, sometimes the other 2 controllers are in use, so I'm not able to get access to those particular controllers, which both of my PowerA Play and Charge Kit batteries are in 2 different controllers. One is my controller and one is in my daughter's controller. And then we also have to look at the dual charging aspect of this, which is really cool. So I'm able to like plug in the USB cord and be able to like just continue the game without non-stop interruptions and stuff like that. Or at the end of the day, when I get done and I don't really feel like putting it on the cord, I mean, I know it takes a couple of seconds to put on the cord, but I can just put it on the dual charging station by PowerA as well, which I did do the review on that particular product, and you can take a look at it right here. Price of the PowerA Play and Charge Kit, 20 bucks from GameStop, or on Amazon you can get it for like 15 bucks. So you can no longer have to worry about those standard AA batteries or having to switch out batteries and stuff like that in the long run. So the main key features that I enjoy about this controller is the price, and as well as the dual charging aspect of that. So I will be able to save money from not having to buy so many standard AA batteries, or I just don't want to switch out like the rechargeable batteries that they're out there. So it would definitely save you money in the long run, because I know a lot of people are like low on income because of the pandemic and everything. So I recommend, if you're looking for a really good buy, is to check out the PowerA Play and Charge Kit or the dual charging station. All the links that you want to look at will be down below in the description. You'll be able to pick up your own set of batteries or whatnot. But guys, as far as this video, if you enjoyed it, remember to hit that subscribe button, and as well hit the thumbs up, because both of those will help this channel tremendously, and I will be able to continue to bring you more content just like this one. If you're a gaming nerd just like me, drop it down in the description. Let me know what console you're on, and maybe I'll try to get my hands on something for that particular console. But as I mentioned, I do have an Xbox, so I will be mainly just doing a lot of stuff towards the Xbox controllers and stuff like that. But there is a lot of stuff out there that is multi-use between the systems, so if you got a PlayStation, I might be able to find a product that could do both. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.